only you could smell this picture right now. This is how you turn bananas into muffins. Gather these ingredients. Hit the pause button if it's going too fast for you, or just go to the video description. Look, it's 11:11. I wish you'd subscribe. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Do you have bananas in your freezer? Less messy with no peel. Cream the butter and sugar together. Beat in the eggs one at a time and add the vanilla. Beat until smooth and then add the mashed bananas and stir it all up. In a second bowl, stir the flour with the baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Mix with banana mixture, stirring only to moisten. Add the chocolate chips and save some to put on top of the muffins. Transfer to a muffin pan. I like to use these reusable silicone cups, or you could just grease a mini muffin pan for the extra stuff. Top with remaining chocolate chips and bake in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. You can check to see if they're done by using a toothpick in the center of the muffin. Wish I could share these with you.